Hello friends, welcome to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about Nicholas Nifty options order flow levels. Last 2 days I did live streaming on this channel. If you want this channel link, I will give you this video comment box. Just click it and subscribe this channel. Okay. So in this video, what logic is I used for finding these levels and how to use these levels. So this is Fire's option scalper terminal. So here we can select the strike. Usually I am selecting at the money strike after market open. Then here you can see top side right side corner market depth 50. Earlier we get only 5, but now we will get 50 market depth. Okay, both C and PE. So both C and PE we will find bulk order quantity levels. Okay. So now market is closed. In live market, it's difficult to find which price levels having more bulk orders because it's keep on changing. So whenever bulk order is placed, that level automatically marked on the chart. Maximum buy quantity and maximum sell quantity. So in this video, you can see it. 2 lines. See, maximum sell quantity and maximum buy quantity. Orders also you can see here the quantity. Okay, now I will show you how to trade with these levels. Now you can see 2 lines here. If any 5 minutes green candle breaks and close above the level, it's a bullish trend. Okay, now it's a bullish trend. This is 24,000 CE level, so this candle is closing above the level, so it's a bullish trend. Okay, same way, if any 5 minutes red candle breaks and close below the level, then it's bearish trend. Like this. See, here you can see 5 minutes candle breaks and close below the lower level, then it's a bearish trend. And whenever new bulk quantity is placed, the levels will be changing. Okay. Suppose now this levels is 35 and 25 level. If new buy quantity or sell quantity is placed for 40, then it will move to 40. And buy quantity is placed if 20, then it's move below 20. Okay. After that, any 5 minutes green candle or red candle closed below the level, then only we can find the trend. And here you will get the indication also. So that will help to know about the trend of the particular strike. Okay, so some people are asking me about how to use these levels, and you can use these levels only for reference. Okay, for finding the market trend. Now for example, this is 24,000 PE. You can see here 5 minutes green candle breaks and close above the level, maximum sell level, so it's a bullish trend. You can see here it's a 5 minutes candle is above maximum sell level, then it's a bullish trend. After that, you can see market goes up and retests the level, again goes up. When market is breaks below this lower level, then only it's a bearish. See, it's move 45 to 80 level. $90 level. Okay, so like that way it will be trading. So you can check these previous 2 videos, so live streaming videos, and check the how these levels is working. So the logic is simple. I just select the bulk order levels and mark like this on the chart, and after that, if any 5 minutes green candle breaks and close above the level, then that particular strike is bullish. If red candle is breaks below the level, lower level, then that particular strike is bearish trend. Okay, so live market I can't able to provide buy or sell signal due to SEBI guidelines. So you should understand based on this levels movement. So you should just watch this video and how these levels is working. Okay, then you will get the idea. So hope you get some idea about how to use these levels, and still if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, or you can ask me in live streaming next day on the chat box. So I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.